Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use ChatGPT on iOS 18. So in this video I'll show you how to use ChatGPT on your iPhone in iOS 18. First head over to your settings and search Siri. Now right now you're still using the old Siri as Apple's new intelligent assistant has not been released yet on iOS 18. While it's expected in the fall, there is no exact date. So now what you have to do, install ChatGPT. Since the new Siri update is not available yet, you'll need to install the ChatGPT app from the App Store. Go to App Store and search for ChatGPT by OpenAI and simply tap on Get and install it. Now, after installing the ChatGPT, you have to launch it. So simply after installing ChatGPT, launch it, and after launching it you can use it. If you want to sign in, you can sign in from here. If you want to sign up, if you want to create an account, you can sign up from here. If you don't want to create an account, you can also sign in from here. So that's it. That's how you'll use your ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.